Welcome to week 6. We are in the thick of it, huh? All right, so regarding Hinduism, we're finally into one of the major world religions. This week, by the way, Buddhism, another major one. Actually, regarding that, so some of you discussed the question regarding moksha, enlightenment. Why is it good? And one of the common answers I saw on there is to escape suffering. That is actually the answer that Buddhism gives, right? So I don't know if you were just anticipating Buddhism or what, but again, what is moksha? It's kind of like rejoining Brahman, like a drop rejoining the ocean. So in some sense you still exist, in some sense you cease to exist because you've been merged into Brahman. One other clarification, by the way, related to that. Brahman with an A, Brahman, is the universal soul. It's the thing of which we are all a part, according to Hinduism. That is not the same thing as Brahmin with an I, Brahmin. That is the caste, the priests. And it's also, make sure to keep it separate from Brahmanas, which are the scriptures, some certain kind of scriptures. And it's important also to keep it separate from Brahma, a particular deity, one of the most important ones, the creator deity, right? So, by the way, yeah, one of the big three. So Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva are these. So just to recap again, I guess how it goes. They believe in a bunch of godlike, or you might call them gods, but it's yeah, call them deities, sure. But then there's this one universal soul of which all those gods are a part, and all people are a part, and kind of everything's a part. And so the ultimate is basically Brahma, and I'm not sure then in what sense they believe Brahma is the creator. I actually need to look that up a little more. But okay, just one more thing to clarify from the discussion board. A lot of you want to talk about the caste system as well. Can it be made non-discriminatory? And well, I guess not really a thing to clarify. Just to summarize things I saw. Yeah, so somebody just said no. Those of you said yes. There wasn't a lot of specifics, right? So I'm not really sure. It's gonna be really hard to keep the actual idea of there are these classes and you are limited to what your class is allowed to do. It seems well, it's gonna be tough to keep anything that you'd still call the caste system and get rid of the bad parts. But not all Hindus believe in the caste system. Yeah, anyway, so that was that discussion. All right, we are, like I said, moving into Buddhism, and the Buddha basically started out as a Hindu, so this is kind of historically how it went too. So let's do that.